Hello friends, Sanat Thakur. How to communicate effectively with your clients as a realtor. First, listen more than you speak. One of the most powerful tools you have as a realtor is active listening. Take the time to really understand your client's need, concerns, and goals. When clients feel heard and valued, they are more likely to trust you and stay loyal. Second, be clear and concise. Avoid using too much jargon or overly technical terms when speaking with clients. Keep your explanation simple and straightforward. Clients appreciate clarity, especially when navigating the complex world of real estate. Third, maintain regular communication. Keep your clients updated regularly. Even if there isn't much progress to report, regular tech points can include emails, phone calls, or text updates. Clients feel more secure when they know you are working for them and staying on top of their needs. Fourth, adapt to their preferred communication style. Some clients prefer phone calls, others may prefer email or text messages. Ask them upfront how they like to be contacted and make an effort to communicate through their preferred channel. This helps make them feel comfortable and valued. Fifth is be honest and transparent. Trust is the foundation of successful client-agent relationship. Always be honest about property details, market conditions, and what they can realistically expect. If you don't know the answer to something, admit it and commit to finding the answer as soon as possible. 6. Personalize your approach. Each client is unique. So personalize your communication to reflect their specific needs, whether they are first-time home buyers needing more guidance or experienced investors looking for data. Tailor your approach to fit them. 7. Stay positive but realistic. While it's important to be optimistic and enthusiastic, you should also set realistic expectations. Over-promising and under-delivering can damage your credibility. Clients appreciate when you are upfront about potential challenges while maintaining positive outlook. 8. Use empathy and understanding. Buying or selling a home is a significant event, often filled with emotion. Be empathetic and supportive. Show them that you understand the stress or excitement they may be experiencing and that you are there to help every step of the way. Next is be prompt and responsive. Quick responses show that you value your client's time and are committed to helping them. Try to reply to inquiries as soon as possible, even if it's just quick acknowledgement before providing more detailed response. 10. Provide value in every interaction. Each time you communicate with your clients, aim to add value. Whether you are updating them with market insights, offering tips on home staging, or advising them on financing options, make sure you are providing something useful and relevant. 11. Keep things professional. Even if you build a friendly rapport with your clients, maintain a professional tone, especially during difficult conversations or negotiations. This will ensure that you are taken seriously and that the relationship stays focused on business. 12. Follow up after the sale. Don't end your relationship once the deal is closed. A follow-up message or a phone call after the sale shows you care beyond the transaction and opens the door for future business and referrals. A simple "How is the new home?" or "Hope everything is going well" can make a big difference. By following these communication tips, you can strengthen your client relationships, build trust, and position yourself as a reliable and professional realtor. Good communication is key to turning clients into lifelong customers and ambassadors for your business. With this, I'm done. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.